Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June of 2020. I cannot believe that it's already June. It really doesn't feel like it. I feel like it's March still. Like everything is just kind of really flown by in a crazy way, but we are here. It is June, and I'm so excited to show you what I got in my June box. I can't exactly remember what I got. I always look now and see what I got, but I really don't remember other than my choice items, so it's kind of gonna be a surprise for me. My memory is just slipping these days, but I'm really excited to get into this and show you what I got. So if you guys are new here, hello, my name is CONNORKRYSTYN, and I do spoilers for subscription boxes on top of unboxings for them and a bunch of other stuff. I am niching out and joining the anti-MLM community, which I am going to be filming a video after this all about Beachbody and exposing their income disclosure statement, so that will be fun. But anyways, if you guys would like to show some support, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys would do me the honor in subscribing. I have noticed that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed, so if you're already viewing, it would literally mean the world to me if you became a subscriber, so please do so. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so if you guys didn't watch my Beauty Bakery mystery unboxing, I found my knife. I was talking about that, so that's good. It was literally sitting in this top drawer in the middle of everything. I've opened it so many times, and it was sitting right there, and I never ever noticed, so that's my life. All right, so contents of the box. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, I remember now. Okay, so is this going to show us the prices? Of course not. So this month's theme is Make Waves, but we don't need it. It doesn't tell us prices. So my choice item, and this is where I have a complaint, but then again, I also understand that with everything going on that they might not be getting new products in and whatnot. So everything that was on for me for a choice, I'm pretty sure everything was a repeated item, and I had already received all of the items except for this, the Ciate London Marbled Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow, which was also a repeat item, but I didn't personally receive it yet, so I was really thankful that one of the choice items was not a repeat item. Again, it's probably because they're not getting shipments in. So this I got in the shade, does it say Entwine, right? Is that the shade name? Entwine, yeah. Which I'm actually kind of excited about this because it's a very, very beautiful color. Oops, I dropped something. Oh, it's this little guy right here. Cool. So it's actually really, really pretty, and it looks similar to a shade that you see in a lot of like Huda Beauty palettes. Just really, really pretty and marbled, so I'm excited to swatch this. And it's actually a really huge eyeshadow pot too. Oh yeah, see, this is one of those really beautiful colors that you could literally just place all over the lid and then some mascara, maybe liner, and it would just look beautiful just all over the lid. And that's one thing that I do like about single shadows, because I do like to do just a one eyelid look, especially if I just want to look kind of natural but not like overdo it with a bunch of colors. One shadow, perfect. I'm actually excited about that, and this has some weight to it too. Oh, okay, so here's the bag, and a lot of people hated the bag, but I think the bag is so cute. I mean, I don't know. I thought the bag was freaking adorable. So that's good. Love it. Okay, so this next item, a lot of people thought that what we were going to be getting in Ipsy is house lavatories, especially because Boxycharm also got house lavatories. Well, we did. This is, what is this? It's in the shade Corset. It's a lip gloss. Great. Okay, so I'm actually really excited to try this out. Oh, look, 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 look. I have Gaga's gloss, you guys. Ooh, okay, hold on. Doesn't really have a smell. Let's do a swatch. Okay, it's peachy looking for sure. When I think of the shade name Corset, or Corset, I think of like a darker shade maybe, but this is like really, really pretty, and when you take the name Corset and you take it to this shade, it makes me think wedding vibes, which is another thing. This is a peachy color and it reminds me of Monster-in-Law and how, you know, Jennifer Lopez hated Jane Fonda and gave her a peach dress because her favorite color was peach. So I kind of take wedding vibes and this peach color together. That's just my personal, like, what I think when I hear the name and relate it to the peach color. But I'm really excited about this. I'm very, very excited. Okay, so next up we have a Tula product, which I'm also really, really excited about. This is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 50. It's UVA and UVB protection. So it's probiotic skincare. So Tula is like a phenomenal brand. And I actually sat out in the sun trying to catch a little ray, you know, ray of sunshine and tan up a little bit. And this is something that would be great to have on your face when you're just laying out in the sun, or if you're just genuinely just out and about and you just want to put something to protect your face, because I don't want my freckles to really come out in the sun especially, which I mean they will anyways, but I just want to protect my skin and all of that. So this is what this is for. I want to smell it and I am really excited to try this out because again, I like to lay out in the sun during the summer and I don't want like a sunburn or anything like that. It doesn't have like much of a scent. Actually it does. I don't know exactly what the scent is, but it kind of makes me think of summer, like that sunscreen smell. Like it just smells like a sunscreen smell that really reminds me of childhood memories and being in the pool and listening to like Fleetwood Mac and stuff. So that's the vibes I get from this smell. I'm very, very excited to use that. Ooh, okay. So we have something from Bliss. This is the Bliss Oh My Gommage Gentle Polishing Cleanser. So here we go. Cleanser from Bliss. I actually like how it's like in the packaging sealed. The Tula didn't have one of those safety seals on it, but you know, whatever. Here we go. Let's open it up. I just want to smell it really, but yeah, so this is a stick cleanser, polishing cleanser. Keep away from eyes. So this milky cleansing stick resurfaces and refines as soft plant-based fibers capture and roll away dead cells for a healthy glow and an ultra smooth complexion. Gently massage over dry or damp skin and then rinse. So it's also cruelty free, so that's good, and it's good for 12 months. This is something I'm very, very excited about. I'm running low on some of my other cleansers right now, and this sounds actually really, really good, and I want to give it a go, especially because my boyfriend made me mad the other day and he wouldn't leave me alone. So I was like, get out, I'm trying to shower, and I threw my Glam Glow cleanser at him and it went behind the washer and I've not gotten it out yet and it's been like a week. Though I have a full backup of it, but I obviously don't want to open it. So I'm down one until I convince my boyfriend to get it out for me. I'm trying to open this. Okay. Why is this so hard? Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Ooh, and it smells really good. It kind of smells like, actually, it smells like something my grandmother used to, like a bar of soap she used to have in her bathroom that she had as decoration. Like one of those nice fancy ones that you buy at like Gatlinburg and stuff. That smells really, really good. So I'm really excited. I'm not even gonna put that back on. I'm really excited to try this. So yeah, I just really wanted to smell it. So that is that. So we have 2 skincare items so far, 2 makeup items, and then this last one is from Nacific is a brand. This is a fresh herb origin eye cream with calendula. I don't know. How to use after cleansing and toning. Gently tap a pea-sized amount of formula on the eye area morning and night. This one, I don't know if I'm going to try just because I've never heard of the brand. Of course, like, you want to branch out and try new things, but also I just got a Murad eye cream that I am using, so yeah. But I definitely think I might pass this on to like my mother or something. Yeah, so here's the packaging. It's just a little squeezy tube. Cute. Since I'm giving it away, I'm just gonna open it and smell it. It smells good. So I'll give it that. It smells good. But yeah, actually, you know what? I just gave my mom a bunch of like expensive skincare, so I might give this to my sister. She never gets anything good, so I'm gonna give it to her. And it doesn't even seem like the product is all the way full either. Maybe it is. I can't tell. It's definitely not all the way to the top, but whatever. Anyways, that is everything that I got in my box for this month. I'm actually really impressed. I opted out of the Ultimate this month, so you won't see an unboxing because I didn't feel like the spoilers were good enough, and we didn't really get that many spoilers last month. That's why I think I only made one Ipsy spoiler video total last month, if I'm being honest. We didn't really have a lot of spoilers, and plus, I guess I just wasn't feeling spoilers last month. I felt like there was more important issues to talk about than spoiler videos. But I'll be back at spoilers. There's already regular spoilers out now. I just haven't sat down and filmed. Maybe I'll film it next and then I'll go with my Beachbody rant. But anyways, that is it. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Oh God, that was weird. Great.